Hey, this is Jeff from TaskAGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with TaskAGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Building backlinks is crucial for SEO, but reaching out to hundreds of websites manually? That takes forever. You've got to find contact forms, fill them out one by one, track who you've contacted, and follow up with emails. It's tedious work that eats up hours of your day. This automated backlink outreach agent changes that completely. You simply add your target websites to a Google Sheet, and the agent does the rest. It loops through each row, visits the websites, finds and fills out contact forms using AI, and even sends follow-up emails through Outlook. Everything gets tracked automatically back in your spreadsheet. Here's how it actually works under the hood. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed all your target websites and outreach details. Then, it kicks off a browser automation that visits each site intelligently. The AI can recognize different types of contact forms, even if they look completely different from site to site. It fills in your customized message, submits the form, and moves to the next one. After form submission, the agent can automatically send a follow-up email through your Outlook account. This is powerful because you're hitting two channels without lifting a finger. The agent then updates your Google Sheet with the status of each outreach attempt. You can see at a glance which sites were contacted, when and if there were any issues. The whole system runs on autopilot. You can process hundreds of outreach attempts while you focus on other parts of your business. No more copying and pasting. No more tracking spreadsheets manually, just results. Ready to automate your backlink outreach? Deploy this agent in about 5 minutes. Connect your Google Sheets and Outlook, add your target list, and watch it work. Over 200 people have already deployed this agent. Get started today at TaskAGI.